I went to Greenwood Chevrolet because I wanted to buy the Chevy Silverado because it was my dream truck. At the end of the day, I was out in my new truck. It's an awesome truck, and it's always going to be my truck.
Greenwood Chevrolet in Austintown is going the extra mile with one of the largest truck inventories in the Valley. During Truck Month, there's never been a better time to get into a new Chevy truck with huge savings and $1,000 in free accessories.
I'm really happy that I went to Greenwood Chevrolet because they went the extra mile to help me.